Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
We have a tool here that is RVP, role-based permission. So role-based permission. It is a customizable method of managing the permissions in the organization. Okay. It is a customizable method. Customizable method means now I have created some permissions for my customer in the system. After 1 year, a new person is coming and the new person will get the requirement to change some permissions. So I have already created it in the system, right? The new person can go and do the changes in the permission which I have already created. Means. It is customizable. It can be changeable. Customizable means time to time. If somebody wants to change, it can be changed. Okay. RVP is divided into two parts. Role-based permission is divided into two parts, that is, permission groups and permission roles. Permission groups and permission roles. Permission, group and permission roles. Yes. So administrator, who can be administrator? We can be one of the administrator. Okay. Administrator is what? Who is handling the admin part? Admin part. Okay. Who is taking as admin? Who has all access? Right. Who in the system? So either we can be an admin or, from the customer side, they can be. Anybody can be an admin. Okay. So what it says, administrators can also grant permission to role types such as employee or manager. Okay. So what it says, administrator can grant the permission. Any administrator can grant the permission to a role. Okay. Any role. What role they are saying? Either it can be an engineer or executive manager. Okay. After granting the permission, administrator can limit the permission to a specific target group of user. So what it means, if I have given a permission, after giving the permission, if I want to control that permission to only a set of group of users. Suppose I have given a permission to the HR team. And in the HR team I have given the permission. And in the HR team. Suppose, if we imagine there are 2 employees who are running the payroll. Okay. So I can limit some permissions to the payroll executives who are running the payroll. So accessing and running the payroll, is it with the payroll executive? Okay. So administrator can limit the permission to a set of group of users. So here, who is the set of group of users? Payroll executives. Payroll executives. Okay. So, for running the payroll, what is their requirement? They can able to go and execute it. Execute. Okay. If I am giving the permission right. But if I am not giving the permission, can they able to access it? No. No right. In SuccessFactor. If they want to run the payroll, they should have some permissions, like then, only they can able to run the payroll, right? Right. So that only it is saying administrators can limit the permission to specific target group of users. Got it? Yes. Okay. Now coming into RVP. Okay. Again, as I told RVP, role-based permission is divided into two parts. One is permission group and another is permission role. Okay. One is permission group and this function. Again, permission group is divided into two parts. Granted population and target population. Okay. To understand granted population and target population, let's take granted population. Now you are the manager. Okay. Rahul, you are the manager and you are located in. Suppose you are located in Germany. Okay. Now Germany has 100 employees there. Okay. Locally they have 100 employees. So to access those 100 employees, I am giving you the permission as an admin. Okay. So you will be only accessible to employees working in Germany location. Right. Okay. Because, if your company is also located in France and France is also 100 employees, you cannot access it. Correct. Because France will be having some other HR admin and you are the HR admin for Germany location. So in that case, you will be acting as a granted population. Correct. Okay. So I am nominating you for Germany location and you are the person who can do what? The changes, modifications and everything in the employee data. Right. Employee data for whom? Employee data for whom you are doing. Particular location. So for you, what is the location? So for you, who are the target population? For you. 100 people. 100 employees. 100 employees from where? Which location? Yes. So the target population here it will be to whom you are doing the changes, that is, the employees working in Germany. Okay. That 100 employees who are working in Germany that employees will be, act as to for whom it can be done. That is the target population. Who is doing this? You are doing it. Okay. Who are doing it? You are doing it. Okay. The manager, the HR matrix manager, for that particular company. Who can do? That is the HR admin of that Germany location. Means he is getting the access to handle 100 staff. Yes, exactly. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. So he is getting the access to handle 100 employees. So those 100 employees will act as a target population. Correct. And for doing the changes, he is being nominated. So he will act as a granted population. Okay. And what changes he will be doing? He can able to view, he can able to edit, he can able to modify all these changes he can able to do from his side. Okay. For whom he is doing? For that 100 employees in Germany. Got it. That is the understood the difference between granted population and the target population. Yes, 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 okay. And the role. Role means what is the role? Means you have a edit permission, you have a change permission, you have a view permission. That is defined in the role. Okay. Correct, so again when I scroll down permission rule. Permission rule is what it defines, a set of permissions and grant this permissions to the permission groups or the role types. Again. I will repeat. It defines a set of permission, some set of permission, and grant this permissions, and granting this permission to the permission group. Okay. Or roles such as employee or the manager. Okay. Got it. So you are setting up a permission and granting.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.